Welcome to the International Property Awards. I'm Lord Thurso, one of the chairs of judging of this, the most prestigious and largest of programmes rewarding excellence in property. I'm speaking to you from the Castle of May on the far north coast of Scotland. It was built some 450 years ago by my ancestors, but is best known probably for having been the holiday home of Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, who for over 50 years visited Caithness every summer. It's now in a trust and can be visited by the public. Places like this are testament to the importance and quality of buildings in our lives. Throughout the course of 2020, we have been making country awards in all of our regions throughout the world. Companies from across the globe have been awarded for their outstanding work and excellence in their field. Now we come to the culmination of the International Property Awards. The highest scoring winners at each level have been rejudged to discover the best for each region and ultimately the international winners. These winners represent the finest projects and companies from across the world. Their success is a tremendous achievement, and I offer each my warmest and full congratulations.
Hello, I'm Stuart Shield, the founder and president of the International Property Awards. In 1993, I had a vision to create a programme encouraging the highest level of quality and achievement in the world of property. I wanted to highlight the excellent work by property firms that has had a direct impact on the lives of millions of people. And for over 25 years now, we have been identifying and rewarding the finest companies working in architecture, interior design, property development and real estate sales. Now, we may have started from a small seed, but today we are a truly global competition with thousands of entries from hundreds of countries in every corner of the world. These are carefully assessed by our team of expert judges to determine those meeting the highest standards of an award. The world listens to these awards, and they're the largest and widest ranging in existence. Over the years, I've seen past participants go from strength to strength and hope that this year's winners experience the same. I'd like to congratulate every company that has won an award. It is a testament to the hard work and dedication, and I hope that it drives businesses to even greater levels of success in the future. We roll out the red carpet for you as we celebrate your success in these awards.
Hello, I'm Etalie George. Welcome to the International Property Awards Grand Final presentations. The companies announced here have already won 5-star awards at their country level. Now they've advanced to compete against other 5-star winners in their region of the world. Let's discover who the regional winners are. The best mixed-use development, Africa, goes to Waterfall by Waterfall Management Company. That brings us to the end of the regional award winners. Let's now find out who's achieved success at international level. The winner of Best International Mixed Use Development is Waterfall by Waterfall Management Company. Congratulations to all our winners for their amazing achievements.